You're doing way more work than you need to. Shopify founders waste hours on things that AI can now do in minutes. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use AI to help your Shopify store. You'll learn what AI tools are actually useful for e-commerce, how to use AI to increase conversions, automate workflows, and boost sales, real examples you can implement this week. We'll cover everything from personalization at scale to enhancing customer support and even content creation to generate organic traffic. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive straight into it. I'm Blake Yeboah, founder of Futuremerce, where we help Shopify brands with high converting design and development services. When I say AI, you're probably thinking of things like ChatGPT, but AI is much more than just a chatbot you're asking questions to. It's powering personalized shopping experiences, it's automating customer service, it's writing high converting copy faster than most freelancers. And most importantly, it's freeing up your time so you can focus on growth. So let's break down the best ways to use AI in your Shopify store today. First, let's talk about personalization and how you can use AI for product recommendations and AI-powered bundles. Shoppers expect tailored experiences. AI makes that scalable even if you're a lean team. Here's what that looks like. Smart product recommendations based on browsing history, personalized bundles that increase AOV, dynamic on-site content that adapts to each visitor. Tools like LimeSpot, Boost AI, and Shopify Magic can help you do this automatically. No need to hard-code logic or hire a dev team. And if you're using Klaviyo, AI-driven segmentation and email content is a game changer. You can send the right message to the right customer at the right time without writing every email from scratch. Next, let's look at how AI can take the pressure off your support team while improving your customer experience. If you're still manually responding to every support ticket, you're wasting time. Apps like Tidio and Zendesk are using AI to handle FAQs automatically, detect customer sentiment, escalate only the stuff that actually needs your attention. You don't need a massive support team anymore. You need smart automations that take care of 80% of your ticket. This way your team can only focus on the high value ones. Let's move on to content. AI is making it easier than ever to produce content that drives traffic and conversions without spending hours writing from scratch. Content still drives organic traffic, but writing everything manually, not sustainable. Use AI to write product descriptions, generate blog posts that actually rank, create first drafts for your email campaigns, and ads. I'm not saying let AI write everything, but it should get you 80% of the way there. Then you edit, refine, and post. Tools like ChatGPT, Surfer SEO, and Neuron Writer make this super efficient. Now, let's shift to something a lot of founders overlook: how AI can help with inventory forecasting and pricing strategy. AI isn't just about content and support, it's also about operation. With tools like Price Stack or even custom AI scripts, you can forecast your stock needs, adjust pricing based on demand, avoid dead stock or overselling. This used to be enterprise level stuff, now it's accessible to anyone on Shopify. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need to roll out 10 tools at once. Here's how I'd start. Choose one area where you're wasting the most time: content, support, personalization. Pick a tool that solves that exact problem. Then test it, measure the impact, and scale. That's how you build an AI-enhanced store without breaking your operations or your budget. If you want help implementing AI into your store, whether that's personalization, automation, or speed, book a free call using the link below. And if you're not ready for that just yet, download our marketing automation guide. It walks you through the core systems we use to make Shopify brands more efficient and more profitable. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And the brands using it properly, they're already ahead. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.